All right, guys. So what we would like to do now to do some problem solving related to the acidity and basicity, pH and pOH. Okay, on this example, we are giving you the pH of the solution, and we are asking you the hydrogen ion concentration. You know how we said that pH is equal to negative hydrogen ion concentration. The concentration of hydrogen ion is always calculated by this formula. It's 10 to the power of negative pH. So we gave you pH 4.82. So hydrogen ion concentration should be equal to 10 to the power of negative 4.82. 4.82 is coming from the pH. And if you enter this number in your calculator, 10 to the power of negative 4.82 is 10 to the power of 5 times 1.5. I hope this makes sense. Okay, let's do another example. The OH minus ion concentration of a blood sample is 2.5 times 10 to minus 7 mole per liter. What is the pH of the solution? Well, guys, do you remember that pH and pOH are related together by this equation? And this is at room temperature. So if I have OH minus concentration, if I have OH minus concentration, can I get pOH? Do you remember? pOH is simply equal to negative log of OH minus concentration. That's the meaning of P. P means negative log. If you do that, then you can easily calculate pH by knowing that pH is always equal to 14 minus pOH, and then you will have the answer of the problem. So let's clean up the board and do this problem. That was the strategy of solving problem. So now let's do the problem. So problem is giving you the OH minus concentration and it's asking you for pH. As we said, pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. So all I have to do, calculate pOH from OH minus concentration, and then I can calculate pH. So can I say that pOH is equal to negative log of OH minus, and the value of OH minus is given 2.5 times 10 to minus 7. So I can calculate pOH, which is 6.6. That is pOH. So pH is 14 minus pOH. pH is 14 minus pOH. So can I say pH is 14 minus pOH? 14 is the constant at room temperature, and pOH we already calculated, 6.60. So you can calculate pH of this solution. I hope this makes sense to you.